Welcome to Foundations of Self-Awareness. This video focuses on understanding, developing, and applying inner insight. Our agenda covers defining self-awareness, exploring its cognitive, emotional, and behavioral dimensions, the observer self, conditioning, emotional intelligence, and daily practices. We begin by defining self-awareness and understanding its importance for personal growth. Self-awareness is the conscious knowledge of your character, feelings, motives, and desires. Psychologically, it's the recognition of yourself as distinct. It encompasses internal states and outward behaviors. Higher self-awareness is linked to better emotional regulation and decision-making. Self-awareness is the cornerstone of personal growth, guiding intentional choices and building confidence. It enables authentic relationships and empathy. In organizational psychology, it is linked to better leadership, adaptability, and high work performance. In personal growth, self-awareness drives introspection and clarity. It helps align your actions with your values, supporting behavior modification and habit formation. Studies link these practices to higher life satisfaction and reduced stress. Next, we will explore the three main dimensions of self-awareness: cognitive, emotional, and behavioral. Cognitive self-awareness helps differentiate between automatic and deliberate thinking. Mindfulness strengthens this metacognition, which improves problem-solving and creativity by reducing bias and unlocking novel ideas. Emotional experiences range in intensity and valence. High-intensity, positive emotions like joy motivate action. High-intensity, negative emotions, such as anger, require coping strategies. Low-intensity feelings like calm foster well-being, while mild negative emotions may signal a need for adjustment. Behavioral self-awareness involves noticing patterns in your actions and habits to gain insight into triggers. This supports changing dysfunctional behaviors. Habit tracking and reflective journaling are simple methods to make these patterns visible and measurable. We now transition to the concept of the observer self and how developing inner neutrality is essential for self-awareness. The observer mindset involves seeing thoughts and emotions as passing events, creating clarity and steady awareness. This reduces rumination and impulsivity, aligning with mindfulness practices. Neuroscience links this detached observation to better emotional regulation. Practicing non-judgmental awareness means noticing thoughts without trying to change or suppress them. Suspend judgment and simply acknowledge their presence. Gently return your attention to the present moment and practice these mindfulness exercises regularly. Developing inner neutrality is a powerful tool, resulting in an average 23% reduction in cortisol levels in mindfulness-based interventions. This supports resilience, clarity, and sound decision-making. Our next section explores how conditioning influences our identity and behavior, and how we can break free from automatic patterns. Conditioning shapes self-perception through positive reinforcement, negative reinforcement, punishment, and observational learning. These processes embed beliefs that can range from self-doubt to self-confidence. Identity forms through learned behaviors acquired in social contexts. Feedback loops from habitual actions continuously refine our self-narrative. Conscious awareness of these patterns enables identity integration aligned with our values. To break free from automatic patterns, practice deliberate self-awareness to map triggers. Utilize cognitive restructuring and habit reversal training. Mindfulness and repetition reinforce new behaviors, harnessing neuroplasticity. Finally, we will examine the critical link between self-awareness and emotional intelligence. Self-awareness is the foundational component of emotional intelligence, anchoring how emotions are noticed and understood in oneself and others. Higher self-awareness predicts stronger leadership and conflict resolution. Targeted training reliably improves emotional intelligence scores. Empathy relies on self-awareness. By understanding your own emotions, you create a baseline to interpret others without projection, reducing bias and strengthening social connection through attuned responses. High self-awareness generally leads to high relationship satisfaction through open communication and constructive conflict resolution. However, high self-awareness with low satisfaction suggests external issues. Low self-awareness often leads to relationship instability. Our last section addresses common obstacles to self-awareness and outlines practical daily practices to overcome them. Obstacles include cognitive biases that distort self-perception, emotional defense mechanisms that protect us from uncomfortable truths, and external distractions. Social influences like norms and expectations can also discourage honest self-examination. Overcome resistance by cultivating intrinsic motivation and supportive environments. Regular mindfulness practice builds awareness and emotional regulation. Use structure, incremental goals, and digital detox to sustain focus. Incorporate daily practices like a 5 to 10 minute journaling routine and 8 to 12 minutes of mindfulness meditation. Ask reflective questions like, what did I notice in my body, mind, and behavior today? Consistent, short daily reps build stronger self-monitoring networks. To conclude, embrace self-awareness for lasting growth. Gain cognitive insight, improve emotional intelligence, and practice daily self-observation. Remember the observer mindset. Notice without judgment to create space between a trigger and your choice.